Clothed in artificiality by desire is the gateway to a more real spirituality. There is a higher law than what we see socially. Who are they to say what each is to do with their own body? Are we to say for another? We regard the facts and work them out psychologically. We are flawed, we do admit. And we will work it out and make of it what we will in the deepest night or in the light of day. By the trials and brimstone, dualities harnessed wherever we may roam. Transforming elements are our tools. We will not be trapped by the terms of fools. We will strike out beyond the order. Their priestcraft will be left to smolder. As a sort of Luciferian, for our way will fight. Surviving, we bring forth the mystery of our light. Mere political systems also disrupt what is right. By real or unreal forces, something is coming and it will blight. Mere status and wealth are not our plight. Sin is not what they say. It is not a mistake, and we will win. We should not worry about their theology. Behind the lies and obscurity of mythology is a truth in actuality. We are becoming by art and what we do in the real world, actually. This current is not about morality. It is not about something that happened at some point in history. It is about the Lord of this world and age and your establishment in the fiery family. By the blood of a more primal covenant theology. Husbandum vani zum zulis zah riorah lamuzirah tamerks vum, gavum, zapti. With fire, companions, and blood. Fire becomes friendly, and blood is familiar. Winter's water is dark and hidden. The devil is for hell as the adversary. The devil is hell's opponent. Unveil a lower extreme. Hermetically, it is set apart according to terms. The occultation is non-direct, are distinct transcendence.